Makhumalo saw that Musamseleku was using here. Musamseleku always involve Makhumalo when he need Makhumalo to contribute with money. Musamseleku was admitted on Utando Nestembo season 8. So Macele, she called Musamseleku's wives, Makhumalo, Mayeni and Mangwabe, to contribute some of the money to pay Musamseleku's hospital bills. We know that Makhumalo was the one who contribute a lot of money. But when Musamseleku was okay, he want to buy houses for his wives, Musamseleku didn't count Makhumalo or to contribute money for Makhumalo's house. So it's not fair. Makhumalo sometimes didn't say those things on television, but we know that was the one who contribute a lot of money. Or maybe Musamseleku can say, my wife's contribute money. I don't think that at that time he was sick. Mayeni contribute money. Mayeni, I think she didn't contribute any money, but Makhumalo was the one who contribute money. Musamseleku can't come on public and say Makhumalo contribute a lot of money. That's why you saw Makhumalo, she was very hurt. Guys, Makhumalo contribute a lot of money. After that, Musamseleku, he can count Mangwabe, Mayeni and Macele to buy expensive houses for them. Musamseleku didn't contribute a cent on Makhumalo's house. So most of the women, they learn a lesson through Makhumalo that you can do anything for your husband, but if that man, he doesn't love you, he doesn't love you. Musamseleku doesn't appreciate Makhumalo. I remember Mayeni last time, when she was asking Musamseleku about Makhumalo, why she is paying their car insurances, Musamseleku said to Mayeni, Makhumalo is the part of our family. Musamseleku always counting Makhumalo when he want Makhumalo to contribute. But when it comes to about the family, he want to do something for his wives, Musamseleku doesn't count Makhumalo. But I love the new Makhumalo because she opened her eyes and saw that Musamseleku can use her anytime when he want to use her. Especially Macele and Musamseleku. Macele, she can involve Makhumalo when she want Makhumalo to contribute something, you understand? But when it comes to Musamseleku, their husband, Musamseleku doesn't count Makhumalo. Guys, it very hurts that you can contribute a lot of money on your husband's hospital bills, but your husband dump you. He was going to check Mayeni and Mangwabe. Musamseleku spent 5 months without checking Makhumalo. Musamseleku, you have to be careful because maybe he can say he can't get sick again. Tomorrow he can need Makhumalo's help again. You understand? Makhumalo was the one, even they can't say it on television, but we know the truth that Makhumalo, even maybe she was the one who paid those hospital bills. I don't think that Mangwabe, Mayeni and Macele at that time they have got money because that hospital was very expensive. Makhumalo can afford to pay because she have got a mine. But Musamseleku can say, my wife's contribute. I don't think that his wife's. Makhumalo, you know that sometimes can defend or maybe to keep quiet to protect herself, you understand? But if Makhumalo, she can open her mouth, she can, guys, Makhumalo have got a lot of things to expose Musamseleku. It's not about Macele and Musamseleku, they can expose here. You understand? Musamseleku now, he is alive because of Makhumalo. She contribute a lot of money. You understand? So when there is something, they want to contribute something, Makhumalo was always in forefront. Maybe it's a project or something. Makhumalo is in forefront. But Musamseleku, when he want to, or he can count his wives in his heart, he can count his wives with mouth and tell people that I have got 5 wives. But in his heart, he can't count Makhumalo as his wife. But when it comes, he want Makhumalo to contribute something, he can count here. So women will learn a lesson through Utando Nestembo that you can be added at that family, but you are useless sometimes to them. You understand? Makhumalo deserve better than the things she is being used in that marriage, and she is gaining nothing.